Some of you requested a free version of Easy Arrows, so I'm going to do just that and run through how to make it using the Essential Arrow plugin. Once it's downloaded, drag it onto your timeline and extend it to where you want. In the inspector, you can change its properties, so I want to increase its thickness, remove the starting arrow, and change the end arrow type as well. Then swap the animation curve from linear to easing and adjust the in-out expression. I'm also going to increase the animation time. All that's left to do is align the arrow to whatever path you want to give the basic effect. To get it looking even better, you can lower the opacity to 50 and then swap the composite mode to add. Personally, I think this is a really nice looking effect, lots to customize, and the arrow auto-orients to the path, which saves a lot of time. The last way I found to improve this is making it appear out of nowhere. To do that, you'll need to go into the Fusion page of the effect and open the Essential Arrow grouping. From there, click on the merge node at the bottom and add a polygon to it. Once you've drawn a rough shape, you'll see it now excludes everything outside the polygon, so be sure to click invert to fix that. Finally, raise the value of the soft edge to make the effect more gradual, and that will give you something exactly like Easy Arrows, except 100% for free.